Hi guys, this is X.
This is Yong.
Yeah, so currently we are in Orchard Road and we are just shooting this video, our intro video.
We have been doing this channel since 2019 and we would like to share more about why we are starting this, and hopefully you can get more information and value from our channel.
Yes, so currently our channel more focus on this personal finance and property and stocks, because that's what we delve in our free time lah.
The focus is financial literacy, where we are not taught in the formal education, and we have learned through our circle of friends and also attending classes. You have the same interest as us to learn and share more about investment ideas. Welcome to drop us an email or message so that we can collab and maybe we can interview each other, because I believe everyone have very different perspective about investment, either in stock or properties or even crypto. So it will be very interesting and we would love more engagement from you all.
Yeah, so for our subscribers and long-time supporters here since 2019, do comment below and show your support. Yeah. Okay, that's all guys. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.
Have a good day. Like and subscribe.